Welcome to HR Insight, where I simplify human resource concept. On today's episode, we're going to be considering transforming HR through technology. Today, the face of HR is often a portal rather than a person. HR is gradually becoming faceless, literally transforming HR through technology. A recent research by SHRM shows organizations that successfully adopt sophisticated HR tools outperform those that do not. HR is evolving. HR is evolving into a more technology-based profession because organizations need to streamline HR processes and reduce administrative burden. The adoption of an HR technology or an HR software will help you to take away the mundane part of HR, the administrative part of HR. So adopting an HR software, an HR technology solution would help organizations to streamline their HR processes and reduce administrative burden. By extension, that would also help organizations to reduce HR administration and compliance costs. Once you have been able to reduce the mundane part of HR, the cost associated with it would also reduce. Also, organizations need to compete more effectively for global talent. It is no longer news that we're in the digital workplace. The digital workplace where I can be anywhere and remotely connect to my workspace, which means organizations are no longer competing at a local level, but at this period at a global level. The geographical locations is no longer a barrier to the workplace. The adoption of an HR technology would help any organization to compete favorably. HR is evolving because it helps organizations to improve access to data for employees and managers. And more importantly, HR is evolving. Organizations also need to provide real-time metrics to allow decision makers to spot trends and manage the workforce more effectively. The adoption of an HR technology would make all of this possible. If HR is to continue to play its critical role in helping businesses to anticipate and manage organizational change, then HR must be open for a transformation through technology. I mean, the adoption of an HR software, the adoption of an HR technology. Now, the beauty of an HR technology or an HR software is that HR can free up itself. 70% of HR processes are often administrative in nature. They are often routine in nature. And that is what your HR software would help you to automate. Once that is done, it helps HR to be able to now focus on the strategic part of HR, which means HR will be able to help organizations to grow profitably and organically by way of helping to attract the best talent, helping to motivate the best talent, and helping to retain the best talent. If today's episode has been beneficial to you, kindly click on the like button so that more people can get to watch this episode. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next episode.